it's Tessa and Finley's Toy Extravaganza, and today I'm going to be making crepes. The reason my sister's not up, she might come down, but she is sleeping. So the first thing we need is 3 eggs. Okay guys, so I'm back and my little sister just woke up, so I'll have a helper today. So first step we need is to get put the eggs somewhere else because we're done with the eggs. We just have the eggs. Now, the next step is the milk. And we're gonna do 1 cup of milk. 1 cup. And we're going to pour the milk until it's at 1 cup right here. Put my picture finger. Tell me when it's 1 cup. I think that's perfect. So then we will add in the 1 cup of milk. Okay, so we are looking for the 1/4 teaspoon because we are going to add in the salt next. So 1 teaspoon in here. Wait. 1/4 teaspoon. Found it. Okay, so then we'll get the salt. And I'm gonna get some. Now you can add it to our mixture. And if your batter is too white, you can add more eggs. And if your batter is too yellow, you can add more milk. So then we are going to do vanilla next. Okay, so our bottle is a little too yellow, so we are going to add some milk until it turns like tan. So next, we add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you might want to do this over the bowl because it might get everywhere. Okay, so we are going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so we are going to sift 1 cup of flour into our batter. Put it in. This might take a while. Now we're going to sift it. Do you want me to hold it while you get it? Just get the that helped. Okay, so I'm going, not that far, So this. How to bus. Like tapping. We can add the rest. No, I'll get it. Okay, so we're back, and if you already add flour and your batter is too liquidy, you should add some flour, more flour. But if your batter is too thick and clumpy, you should add more milk. So I think ours is way too liquidy, so I'm gonna add some more flour. Okay, so we are gonna pour some vegetable oil into a one, and we're gonna use 1 teaspoon. Okay, so we are gonna take our batter and we're gonna strain it into this. To make sure there's no clumps. Okay, so we just took our batter out of the fridge. You put it in for like a half an hour, and we just lightly greased our pan, and we put the oven at medium high. I'm back! And we are going to pour just like a little bit of batter, like that much. Okay, so the crepes are made, and we added some Nutella to them, and these are them. And we also made some sausage, and my mom cut up some strawberries. And on the table we have some Nutella, whipped cream, syrup. So that's at the end. And I'm gonna try one.